What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I am getting ready to replace the cabin air filter on a 2009 Honda Accord Coupe, and I wanted to show you how it's done. Now, the first thing you want to do, obviously, if you're replacing this yourself, is visit your local AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly, whatever the case may be, to stop by and get your STP or whatever other brand it is that you use for your cabin air filter. Once you do have it, it should run you about $10 to $20. What you want to do is you want to look you want to drop down here, this department here. You want to make sure that there is a latch here that holds the glove box in place. So once you've unlatched that, then you want to hold both sides here to drop this down. So obviously, if I'm holding the phone, I can't show you. So we will be right back once I get that done. So now that you have your glove box dropped down, if you take a close look here, you can see the cabin air filter right up there. And again, I'm not sure that I can do this with one hand, but what you want to do is you want to put your fingers on each side there, and there's little indentations for you to put both your hands on. And what you're doing is you're really just pulling this right out. And yeah, it looks like I might be able to get this done here without pausing the video. Maybe you need both hands. Okay, looks like I got this unlatched. You pull it right out, and you're basically going to put the new one right in that, right on top. You take this out, put the other one back in. Once you have the new one in, what you're doing is you're basically pushing this back in. Once you hear a click, obviously you want to put all your stuff back in your glove box, just like so. Make sure, and I can't do this with one hand, but you're going to want to latch this so that your glove box can open properly and it doesn't open quickly. Just like that, we are done. That's how you replace a cabin air filter on a Honda Accord.